Okay, so I'm going to show you 3 songs that are good for beginners. And I'm going to start off with one from Metallica. So for this, you're going to want to have some kind of distortion. You don't have to, but to get the preferred sound. Standard tuning. Let's see if I can focus a bit better. And you're going to want to start off with your index finger on the 2nd fret of the A string. And you're going to want either your ring finger or your pinky finger on the 4th fret of the D string. So we're using A and D for the beginning. So it goes 2, 4, 2, O. So, and slowed down, that's 2 on the A string, 4 on the D string, back to 2 on the A, and then open on the D. So, and then you're going to want to switch. You keep your pinky or your ring finger the same spot on the D string. And instead of using the A string this time, you're going to be using the E. So, and then it switches. You're using the E string on the 3rd fret. And the D string is the same. So then it goes 3, D, 3, and then open D. So again, start off on the A and D, then switch to E and D, and you're going to do that twice, and then open G. So, from the beginning. And then after that, it's pretty much the exact same, except this time you're adding one more to it. So it's going to go, after you do those first 2, the second one on the E string that you do, E and D, you end it with an open G. And then you start again, A, and then this time you're going to do open A, and then 4th on the D. So open A, 4th on the D, open A, open D. So from the beginning. And the open A. And then back to the E. And that's the beginning. And then there's frig. I have a really bad guitar right now, so it's kind of hard to play that. But anyways, so just focus on the beginning of that part. And if you want, maybe I'll teach you that part in another video. So now we're going to move on to Blur. I believe it's called Song 2, and it's called Blur. So, one sec. So this one starts off more clean, and then you do the same thing over again, but with a distortion. So, you're going to want to start off with your index finger on the 8th fret of the A string, and then you're going to want your ring finger here, which is the 10th fret. So 8 and 10. And you strum that twice. So, which is 8 on the A, 10 on the D. Now you're supposed to also add your pinky finger on the G string, the exact same spot that you have on the D string for all of these. But because my guitar's kind of bad, I have some dead frets down here, so I can't do that, which sucks. So I'm going to have to teach you with just 2 strings. So you start off with the 8 and the 10. So 1, 2, and then you drop back to 6 and 8, which is, so for 6 and 8, you're going to be doing down, down, up, down, really quick, and then 2 downs. So we start off with 8 on the A, just twice. Then you move up to 11 and 13. So you're going to keep the same shape for these bar chords. So 8, 11, and then 13 just once, and then all the way up to 15. When I say the numbers, I'm referring to the A string. So 8, 6, 11, 13, 15. So that's going to sound like this. And when you add distortion, so there's that one. That is Blur. And this last song is called Come As We Are. And you're supposed to tune down your first three the A, the E, A, and D are supposed to be down a full step. But just for the sake of this, I'm not going to do that. If you want, you can turn those down. Tune those down a whole step. So it would be... Yeah, okay. So for that, you want to do open on the E string twice. So, and then 1 on the E, and then 2 on the E. So, open, open, 1, 2. So, open E twice, 1, 2, and then open on the D string once, and then back to the E string. And you're going to do that twice. So you go E string, open D, E string, open D, and then hit the E string twice before you start going back down. So 2, 2, 1, O. And then you're going to have your middle finger on the 2nd fret of the D string and go. So that's open E, D, open E twice, and you restart. So 1, 2, and I'll do that slower. So if that doesn't sound quite right, that's because I'm supposed to turn it down a full step, or tune it down, but I didn't do that for this. So again, that's 3 things for beginners. Metallica 1. G, open A, E string. There's that one. And then, again, for Blur. I messed it up at the end there, but you get the point. If you guys want the tabs or anything like that, comment down below. I'll likely be doing more songs. I'm not too sure how many of you are going to see this. And yeah, I'm not even going to bother editing anything. So hopefully that helps. If you would like me to do it slower, let me know. If you have any specific requests, let me know as well. I was thinking of... My next video is likely going to be... I missed something there, but so I'll likely upload that in a little bit. But thank you for watching. I hope I helped a bit, and take it easy. Peace out.